In the heart of Strijp-R, a vibrant neighborhood in Eindhoven, nestled amidst the remnants of a former industrial complex, stands Villa 5050, a testament to modern architectural vision. Designed by Studioninedots, this unique residence redefines the concept of living in harmony with nature. The clients, seeking a minimalist lifestyle deeply connected to the outdoors, challenged the architects to push the boundaries of transparency. In response, Studioninedots conceived a radical departure from traditional house designs. Instead of prioritizing specific rooms or functions, they envisioned a series of interconnected volumes, each with its own distinct character, scattered across the expansive garden. This unconventional approach resulted in a pavilion-like structure that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living, blurring the lines between house and landscape. The architects meticulously organized the living spaces, strategically placing the shared family areas and the parents' retreat on the ground floor. Meanwhile, the children's domain resides within a captivating tower, a self-contained tiny house that pierces through the horizontal planes of the main structure. This vertical element adds a dynamic dimension to the design, creating a sense of wonder and excitement, particularly for the young inhabitants. Villa 5050 is a symphony of materials, a harmonious blend of industrial and refined elements. Glass reigns supreme, maximizing natural light and offering breathtaking views of the surrounding greenery. Enclosed volumes, each with its own unique material expression, further enrich the architectural narrative. The master bathroom, clad in flagstones, contrasts with the glazed tiles adorning the bedroom and office walls. A whimsical round shed, crafted from semi-transparent polycarbonate, adds a touch of playfulness. The tower, sheathed in polished aluminum, seamlessly integrates with the changing landscape. Its reflective surface mirrors the shifting seasons and weather patterns, creating a dynamic interplay of light and shadow. This subtle camouflage further emphasizes the house's connection to its natural surroundings. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, Villa 5050 embodies a sustainable approach to living. The open floor plan encourages natural ventilation and maximizes daylight, minimizing the need for artificial lighting and cooling. The design also pays homage to the industrial heritage of Strijp-R, subtly echoing the area's past while embracing a contemporary vision for the future. Villa 5050 is more than just a house, it's a testament to the power of architectural innovation. It challenges conventional notions of domestic space, offering a new model for living in harmony with nature. This unique residence serves as a reminder that the boundaries between indoors and outdoors can be fluid and that the relationship between architecture and landscape can be truly symbiotic.